The North American steppe, a vast landscape home to some of the world's most resilient creatures. Here, competition for resources is intense, and every animal is looking to claim their piece of the pie. A herd of continental seated staffers. In order to ensure their survival through the next season, they will need a leader with the strength and cunning to secure food, water, and data in an increasingly harsh environment. Able to crunch upwards of 500 numbers a day, this staffer boss has ruled for nearly a decade. But as age catches up with him, threats from within the herd grow more numerous. Many of the young staffers have come of age and are eager for their chance to lead. A challenge. She makes the first move. They use their backrests like battering rams. Duels like this can last for hours, but eventually, one will be forced to concede. She is victorious. The loser is not forced to leave the herd, but they almost always do, choosing instead to live as an outcast.